So with me is the new 2025 GV80 Coupe. As you can see, it has a coupe look and it looks really sexy and beautiful. Even from the back, this is the key to it. You can even engine start by just locking and hold. There we go, you can start the engine. Let's go have a walk with the car. Let's go take a drive mode and then it drives with me. Let's just go for a walk. Come on. Come with me, come with me. But as soon as it senses there's someone in front, it stops automatically. Let's go and have a drive. .360-degree camera. So it has a 360-degree sensors as well. This is the best thing. I love this display. The camera inside, you can see the front. Even though when you press the camera button here, you can literally see the front and the back accordingly. Look at the weather, it looks like it's gonna rain. As all other models, and this model has the camera on the indicators as well. If you turn left, if you press the left indicator, the left camera turns on. If you press the right indicator, the right camera turns on. Interior is really beautiful. I love this huge 27-inch display. there you go, that's the 2025 Genesis GV80 Coupe.